Heck yeah. Heck yeah, man. Get on in here. That's what I'm talking about. Big man, biggin'. There we go. That's what I'm talking about. Caddo Lake. Caddo Lake Swamp Beast. Let me weigh this joker. Alright, let me get my old bubba out. Yeah. Finally got one decent one. Man, that just looked like too good a spot right there. Alright, let's see what Bubba says. 3.5. All right. 3.5. All right, let's put it back. Put it back, buddy. Oh. Wow, Caddo Lake, buddy. Go. All right, bud. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about. Come out here.